So we are here in Leo Beach. Yung puntahan ko mamaya yung Island Amaya ni Piolo Pascual at saka ni Catherine Bernardo. Doon lang guys. Ayun, yan. Yung building na yan yung Amaya. So pupuntahan ko yan mamaya. Ayun. So doon kami. Mayroon parang bed. Libre lang siya. Diyan kami. Yan. Nakakatuwa. Oh. Diba? Instagrammable. Pag mag-pick ka dito. So, tapos may nagsasurf doon. No? May nagsasurf. Yun o. Nagsasurfing. Yan na. So, ganun lang. Ayan ang vlog for today, guys. Nandito kami sa Leo Beach, El Nido, Palawan. Walang gaanong tourist dito. So, yun lang mostly, oh. Wala siyang gaanong tourist. Siguro doon sa kabila, sa Nakpan, at saka doon sa may kabila naman sa may kurong-kurong, yung Las Cabañas. Doon maraming tourist. Pero dito, konti lang siya. So, yun. That's all for today. It's just a short vlog para pakita ko lang sa inyo yung a piece of paradise here in Palawan in El Nido, Leo Beach. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and subscribe. Ayan. Bye. So guys, ayan ang Isla Amaya, owned by Piolo Pascual. Ayan siya. Try ko na magtanong kung pwedeng mag-take ng video sa loob. Take lang naman. Dali. And I asked Kuya in the bar if I can take a video in this area. So yeah, he permitted me. So I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like. This is owned by an known actor here in Philippines. It's named Piolo Pascual and actress Catherine Bernardo. So you can Google it. Who are they? And this is their hotel. So from the entrance, immediately you will see this, their bar. And then they have here tables outside. They have billiard tables. So ayan. So I'll just show here down because yung upper part of this hotel is the rooms. So look how nice it is. This is Isla Amaya. Beautiful. So that I don't know what's in the end of it. We'll see. Maybe it's the it's their kitchen or dining. Yeah, it's their dining. So that's the restaurant inside. I will not go anymore inside. Just here outside. So ayan. And that in front of this hotel is also another hotel. It's called Adlaw, as you see. That medyo bright, yeah, that's the name of this. It's also like similar structure of the building. Looks also cool, but I think that's also a 5-star hotel like this one. Ayun lang guys. Yeah, if it happens that you will have a vacation here in the Philippines and you'll visit El Nido, Palawan, I would recommend you one of these hotels around here in Leo Beach. It is so nice, the beachfront. If you love surfing, you can surf also if there are like big waves like today. So yeah, my kids love waves, so we came here to swim. It's free actually. There's no entrance, so even the kuya, thank you. Ano siya? Ay, nawala. Magti-thank you sana ako. Thank you, kuya. Ayun. So, ayun. So, yeah. Pinopromote ko yung business ni Piolo Pascual. Anyways, so yun lang. If it happens that you will have a vacation here in El Nido, Palawan, just visit this place. It's really nice. You will feel total tranquility in this place. Ayun lang. So, you can check actually directly on the internet about with the name Isla Amaya Resort, and also other one is Adlaw. And there are lots of bars and restaurants here also around, so you will not get hungry and thirsty. Yun. So yun lang. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. See ya. Ciao. Check out Taba.
A few inches later.
Dansa och spela på
Дай нога направи такова, а се знаеш погаят. Ko se teče, Marko, no?
Thanks for watching mga kayos. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, hit the like button and notification bell. And for more videos, just click on the boxes on the right. See you in my next vlog. Bye!